origin of phenomenology can be traced back to the early 1900s. It can be commonly understood in two ways. One, as a movement, and two, as a research method or an approach. The main cause for the rise of the phenomenological movement was the progress of the natural sciences and the resulting tendency to view scientific and objective methods as the only way to study and answer all questions related to nature and mankind. Edmund Husserl is considered as the father of the phenomenological movement. He believed that science needed a philosophy that would restore its contact with the deeper concerns of man. His branch of phenomenology is known as the descriptive or the eidetic branch. Martin Heidegger was another notable figure, and his approach is known as hermeneutics or interpretive phenomenology. As a research method or approach, it arose from the understanding that people's relations with objects and events are far more complex than being simple cause-effect relationships. Thus, the objective methods of natural sciences were found to fall short while studying the subjective human sciences. Finlay 2009 has defined phenomenology as it starts with a concrete description of a lived situation, often first-person accounts set down in everyday language and avoiding abstract intellectual generalizations. Phenomenology is a qualitative research method that focuses on answering questions such as how it is, how does it feel, rather than on questions such as how much or how many times. A phenomenological study focuses on people's experiences and how it is that they experience what they experience. In psychology, phenomenology studies the intricacies and broad themes of human experience that would otherwise either get overlooked or quantified into numbers. In simple terms, phenomenology focuses on the individual's experiences and their interpretations rather than on what the events themselves are.
Now that we have an idea of what phenomenology is, we can move on to the types of phenomenology. One of the main approaches to phenomenology is